Dance workouts, the perfect blend of rhythm, movement, and sweat. It's not just about burning calories. It's about losing yourself in the music, feeling the beat pulse through your veins, and letting go of all inhibitions. It's a celebration of movement, a symphony of steps that can transform your body and your mind. When you step onto that dance floor, whether it's in a studio, your living room, or even just a small corner of your bedroom, you're not just exercising. You're entering a world where the music guides your every move, where your body becomes an instrument of expression, and where every step is a brushstroke on the canvas of your own creation. There's something liberating about dancing. It's a form of self-expression that doesn't require words. You can tell a story with your body, convey emotions with your movements, and release pent-up energy with every jump, twist, and turn. It's a language that transcends barriers, connecting people from all walks of life through the universal language of music and movement. And let's not forget the sheer joy of it all. The infectious energy that fills the room when you're dancing with a group of like-minded individuals, all moving in harmony to the same beat. The laughter, the smiles, the shared sense of accomplishment when you nail that tricky choreography or push yourself to go just a little bit further than you thought possible. But beyond the fun and the camaraderie, dance workouts are also incredibly effective at torching calories and toning muscles. It's a full-body workout that engages your core, legs, arms, and even your mind as you focus on mastering new steps and sequences. And the best part? You don't even realize how hard you're working because you're too busy having a blast. So next time you're dreading another monotonous session on the treadmill or the elliptical, why not switch things up and give dance workouts a try? Put on your favorite playlist, crank up the volume, and let the music be your guide as you shimmy, shake, and sashay your way to a fitter, happier you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about burning fat or sculpting your body. It's about finding joy in movement, reclaiming your sense of playfulness, and rediscovering the sheer pleasure of being alive in your own skin. So dance like nobody's watching, sweat like you mean it, and let the music set you free.